What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm over here in the little tech area here in Dollar Tree. I'm also close to some of the kitchen items, so I'd like to kind of take a look at some of these new items as well as some kitchen items. But these showed up just a couple weeks ago and I think they're really cute. These are the little USB covers. These would be cute little giftable items, or if you're already purchasing stocking stuffers for Christmas, or maybe if you have a nonprofit, consider some of these items because they're super cute. This is my first time seeing as many little animals as I'm seeing right here. We have the white polar bear. We have the little panda. We have the little piggy. Let's see, what was the other one? We have, and then of course we have all these colorful earbuds, pink, yellow, blue, purple. We have the shark. And then we have this cute little mouse. I really like the mouse a lot. The little micro USB cables. We have pineapple and the pineapple earbuds. Those are from the summertime. We have one with a donut on it. The area has just gotten really huge. We have all of the little tech cases. I think most of these are new. This one is cute. We also have this one. We have this one. These feel very 90s to me. We also have Make Today Happy. We have Chill Vibes Always. Lots of stylists. The pink. Look at these, you guys. Spread Kindness. These are all new. And then we have Be You. And I love their pop sockets. You got this. And Make Today Happy. And then over here, you guys, we have the little cable protectors. We have multiple animals. They're really cute. Lots of different little animals. Aww. I'm guessing all of the little USB plug covers also have a match down here. And then we have the phone grips, which is what I'm calling the pop sockets. Even more. This is for iPhone 12. We have the shatter resistant screen protectors. Even more of these, Chill Vibes Always. There's just a lot over here and a lot of new items. Some of you have been telling me that you really like the phone stands, and they have a lot of different little phone stands. I think these stylists are so cute. You get 2 to a pack. You also get 2 to a pack over here. We have pink, we have flamingos, we have yellow, we have stripes. Mobile phone holder. Oh, okay. Micro USB. Look at the little eyeglass cords, you guys. We have different cute little ones in pearl. Those are cute. Another variety. The lens wipes, the eyeglass repair kits, the little spray bottles. We have sunglasses here. And then readers as well. Lots and lots of readers. You won't find readers as cheap as this anywhere else. I think they go up to $3.25. Share in the comments, if you wear readers, when did you start wearing readers? At what age? We also have more eyeglass cords over here. What are these? Anti-slip eyeglass grips. Also in red and in blue. The one that reminds me of charm bracelets. Even more of these. The little reading glasses with the case. They're so tiny. I remember one time in Jerry's store, I actually saw the reader glasses that you can use to apply makeup, where you put it over one eye and then you have one eye free to apply your makeup, and then you can toggle it over to the other side. I only saw that one time in one visit. Have you guys ever seen that product? I didn't even know anything like that existed. McCormick, Hello Fall. My store only has the Hello Fall. The little garlic press, the drain stoppers, Royal Norfolk. These are actually really good knives. My husband really likes them. This is a great product if you have a child that wants to start helping in the kitchen but you don't want anything sharp. This can cut apples, this can cut a lot of produce and a lot of fruits safely. The little veggie storage is here. The singles. 2 packs of bowls. Can openers. Carrot peelers. Also by McCormick. Tiny whisks. And then they put the pillowcases here. Muffin pans, bread pans, pizza pans, cookie pans, grilling trays. Yes, you guys, they have a lot over here. A lot of basics to choose from. 100% polyester towels. Oh, look, you guys, the drying mats are here, and these work perfect for placemats. I'm gonna have to get out my fall ones. I'm still using some summer ones. I think that's it for me though, you guys. It's super quiet in here. They're gonna be closing in about, I don't know, 40 minutes or so. If you want to join the family, all you have to do is hit that little button and subscribe, and now you're part of the family. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.